3.2, you will come to know the number of cells in series. Number 2 is 48 volt 60 ampere hour and 48 volt 80 ampere hour. 48 volt 80 ampere hour battery will give you the mileage of 150 kilometers. Payload is 150 kgs, the weight that can carry. Why I am telling you the basics of the batteries? Because heart of solar system is a battery, heart of electric vehicle is a battery. So try to understand the battery, because these batteries, when you connect in series and parallel, you have to go for a circuit called as BMS, that is battery management system or circuit, that controls the charging current of the battery pack, I can say, that controls the charging current of the battery pack, that controls the load current of the battery pack. So all these cells are available in the open market. For any DC microgrid small systems, you can contact your department, you can take the guidance from where to take all spare parts. If tomorrow somebody says कि आमच्या घरामध्ये 3 दिवे 2 पंखे 1 टीवी चालला पाहिजे, लाईट नाही आहे, MACB नाही आहे, so you can contact your department. I can give you all the system design details. You can assemble yourself in the department, and once you do that, that becomes the starting business. एक छोटा सा काम करा, and once you develop that test, then you slightly try to go into the higher level. And why I am telling you this lithium-ion batteries are important, because they are light. Lead acid peksha 20% weight is there. You can carry anywhere. Life is more. Only tragedy is we have to import all these cells from China. We have no other option, because many things we are importing from China. Even you can think of some design, some R&D in this sodium ion batteries, because I have seen many Hyderabad colleges working on the separate battery department, sodium ion battery, that will be 40% heavier than the regular batteries, lithium ion phosphate, but that has the future, because sodium म्हणजे आपल्या घरातलं सॉल्ट, राईट? तुम्हाला माहिती आहे एअरपोर्ट कसे काम करतात? एअरपोर्टची बॅटरी, यू नो वेअर इज द एअरपोर्ट बॅटरी? एनी आयडिया? एनीबडी? ऑल एअरपोर्ट्स, त्यांचा खाली एवढा मोठा खड्डा असतो आणि ते मोठं सोडियम आयन बॅटरी एका खड्ड्यात मीठ, एका खड्ड्यात दुसरं करून ते त्याच्यावर कंप्लीट एअरपोर्ट चालवतात. सो फॉर द बिगर लोड sodium ion is the only option. So best solution, even you can talk to your departments. Okay, you can talk to your department, you can take input to them, you can give them the input, and you will do that. Sodium ion, there is one company working in Hyderabad, I can give the name also. They are doing very good work in sodium ion, but I can tell you, you can start working on this particular development, because your college report is very good. The name outside of your college, and your all faculty is highly qualified, I can say. A lot of doctors are there. So you have the right flavor to start your own R&D in the campus. And you have got such a bright students. I mean, because see, more you go towards the metro cities, the students are defocused, which I have seen in Mumbai and Pune. I go frequently to Mumbai for lectures, I go to Pune also. But the students are not focused because lot of other diversions they have. But that is not the case in this particular campus. Because you have a very good discipline, and you have a very good mentor here. The top boss himself is so hardworking. So product has to be good in any case. जशी खाण तसं तुमचं हेरे निघते. Okay, any question? This is LiFePO4. The LiFePO4, the beauty is this last part too, the life of this is 2000 cycles per year. You know what do you mean by one cycle? Cycle, म्हणजे कसं? One battery is fully charged and fully discharged is the one cycle. Okay, so if you divide 2000 by 365, the life is of course more than 5 years, but you never discharge battery 100%. You discharge 50%, again you try to use it. So my experience is I am using lithium ion phosphate batteries for almost 10-12 years, there is no problem. Batteries daily charge, daily discharge, so there is absolutely absolutely no problem. So you can safely bet on this product. I will tell you why. When you make a particular product, and if you need to go there for repairs, that is not the product. So it has to be foolproof. समजा वस्तीवर एखादी तुम्ही सिस्टीम करून विकली, किंमत सिस्टीमची 2000 आहे, राईट? पण रिपेअरला जाऊ द्यायला तुम्हाला 800 रुपये लागतात. नो फार. So in this case, lithium ion phosphate, because heart of any solar system is the battery. तुम्ही lithium ion phosphate ची बॅटरी वापरा, 10 वर्ष फिरवू नका. Just fill and forget. Solar panel has a good life, you know very well. Solar panel has a fantastic life. आज तुमचे खेडोपाडी स्ट्रीट लाईट बंद काय कारण ते बॅटरीमुळे बंद पडले. टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर डन बाय महाराष्ट्र गव्हर्नमेंट इज 3,700 crores for last 15 years to install the solar street light. So पथदिवे जे आपण बघतो. And I can say not only this, even NTPC under CSR मध्ये corporate social responsibility, त्यांनी 3 कोटीचे स्ट्रीट लाईट लावले ते सोलापूरला, फताटेवाडी रोडला. 3 कोटीचे स्ट्रीट लाईट 3 महिन्यात बंद पडले. 6व्या महिन्यात सगळ्या बॅटऱ्या चोरीला गेल्या. तिथं अजूनही जागेवर फक्त पोल आणि वर पॅनल आहे, बस बाकी काही नाही आहे. सो लॉट ऑफ नॅशनल वेल्थ इज वेस्टेड लाईक दिस. सो यू आर द इंजिनियर हू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दॅट स्क्रॅप इनटू वर्किंग मॉडेल. ओके, खूप सिंपल आहे. एक लिथियम आयन फॉस्फेटची बॅटरी, एक डस्ट टू डाउन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट, एक बॉक्स आणि फक्त त्याला फिट करायचं, बाकी काही. ओके, अजून एक आहे. बऱ्याच वस्तीवर जुन्या मोटरसायकल पडलेल्या असतात, 15 वर्ष झालेल्या, 20 वर्ष झालेल्या. अँड वाय द मोटरसायकल्स आर गुड? बिकॉज ते बांधावर जाऊ शकतात, बॉडी स्ट्रॉंग आहे, अँड दॅट इज डिस्कार्डेड. यू कॅन टेक आउट दॅट पेट्रोल इंजिन, यू कॅन गो फॉर द हब मोटर. इफ वी गेट टाइम आय विल टीच यू दॅट ऑल्सो. Back wheel you replace by the hub motor, you go for lithium ion phosphate battery. So that we call as a retrofit technology. Retrofit means you have the old vehicle. Okay, old vehicle you are taking out the petrol engine, you are fixing the battery bank there. You have a motor at the back, hub motor, which, because if any petrol engine there are thousands of moving parts, but in each vehicle you have only one motor, one battery and one controller. So number of parts are less, and take it from me, more the number of parts, more the failures. समजा 1000 पार्ट एका सिस्टीम मध्ये आहेत, त्याच्यातले 5 फेल झाले तरी सगळेच फेल झाले. And when you have only 10 parts, possibility of failure is less. So that retrofit business also is very good. Even that one kit I will try to keep with the department. You can learn on that, how to modify the old motorcycles to the electric vehicle. Okay. काही प्रश्न आहेत? And this is a good business.
क्वेश्चन असा होता, टेम्परेचरचा इम्पॅक्ट बॅटरीवर जास्त होतो. त्याच्यासाठी आपलं काय करता येईल? कुठली सुटेबल बॅटरी आपण ईव्ही साठी म्हणतो, सोलर इलेक्ट्रिक
साठी? टेम्परेचर मेन प्रॉब्लेम आहे, दॅट इज ट्रू. त्याच्यामध्ये सगळ्यात पहिला पार्ट असा आहे, go for the right BMS, battery management system has to be perfect, number 1. Number 2, so when you put batteries in series and parallel, you use a compartment in between. ते जर तुम्ही एकदम चांगल्या क्वालिटीचं वापरलं तरी प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आणि त्याच्यामुळे अजून एक वेळ वन मोर थिंग, यू पुट अ टेम्परेचर सेन्सर्स ऑन द बॉडी. ओके, when the temperature reaches above 60 degrees, that should cut off. आणि मेन प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे, आपल्याकडे उन्हाळ्यामध्ये आसपास टेम्परेचरच 45-50 चालतं आहे. And if you notice, most of the accidents are there only in summer season. Maybe this month, next month, and up to June, you will see a lot of incidents of fire. Okay, good. One more point I remembered. I will tell you. You know this Ola scooter, right? That came immediately after COVID. Okay. Now, when the Ola scooter was launched in the market, my son asked me, should I go for this? I said, wait. Because the Ola scooter is 100% manufactured in China. That is not ideal for Indian road conditions. Indian road conditions, the scooter has to work, रानात पण चालली पाहिजे, हायवेला पण चालली पाहिजे, छोट्या रस्त्यावर पण चालली पाहिजे. Then he said, no, but I want to go for that. I told him one thing, we have very good, well-known companies, have very good experience in the suspension of that particular equipment or mechanical infrastructure. I say either go for TVS or Hero Honda. You must have seen Ola scooters around. You must have seen the latest scooters also, Bajaj. There is lot of difference in the body of that particular vehicle. I say any new technology, if you launch in hurry, you burn your fingers. Because if you really look at the performance, because Ola cell what was there 5 years back, you compare with the cell today, you will come to know the difference in the particular. Okay, क्या प्रश्न है? Okay, this is one more battery which is interesting. Lithium ion phosphate battery, only you know, but there is one more battery called as lithium ion titanate. Now this battery is 2.7 volt. Life is 50 years. 50 वर्ष. This is generally used in the satellite applications, in the defense applications. ये बैटरी खूप महाग होते आपण आता ते बऱ्यापैकी स्वस्त झालं. कारण ज्या इक्विपमेंट तुम्हाला 50 years लाईफ पाहिजे, they can go for lithium ion titanate. अच्छा, one more thing like is there, like you understood about the ampere hour capacity of the battery, right? You talk about the load current. There is one thing called as a charging current. So most of the lead batteries they are charged at C by 10 or C by 5. Okay, but there are some batteries which can be charged in minutes. That is called as lithium titanate. Or there is one more concept called as a supercapacitor. Supercapacitor, suppose the bus travels for 15 minutes. That bus has 1 minute stop. So in 1 minute they will charge that particular battery. The reason is, if you have smaller batteries, you can accommodate more people. So if the battery is bigger, the load is more. This is generally used in the Germany. This supercapacitor is also used for the tanks, defense tanks. In a fraction of microsecond, that will deliver the output. This is also used in the bus, which I told you about. In 1 minute, the battery is fully charged, and the bus will run for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, this is a typical on-grid solar system, which we discussed like. Sir, you have a solar panel mounted on top of this. आपल्या घरामध्ये जे मीटर असतं, that is called as an import meter. Energy meter आपण जे वापरतो, आपण ग्रीड कडनं import करतो. आपण त्यांना बिल देतो. आणि आपण जेव्हा सोलर सिस्टीम आपली वर लावतो ही, त्याला अजून एक मीटर येतं ज्याला आपण we call that as an export meter. So whatever is energy generated by solar panel with the inverter. Okay. Now solar panel input is to the inverter. Whatever is electricity generated, that is exported back to the grid. तर तुमचं एक मीटर आहे इम्पोर्टचं, एक मीटर आहे एक्सपोर्टचं. If you export more, you did not pay the amount to the MSCB. If you export less, so whatever is the difference in import and export, that much you have to pay. So this is the basic theory of the grid tie. Okay. But the only problem is here, like when there is no MSCB, total generation is wasted. Because MSCB input 50 Hz will trigger the solar inverter here. When there is no MSCB, so all electricity generated is wasted. So this is on grid. So for that, one more latest concept is in the market called as a hybrid inverter. So when there is no MSCB, that will charge the battery, and the battery will give back the load to the load, like input to the load. This is the off-grid concept. Off-grid, in off-grid, you have the energy stored in the battery. Okay. And when there is no electricity, you can use the same. Okay, now this is a single screen showing the solar panel, what we are studying now. We start from the solar cell, you make a solar panel. Okay. You use a lithium ion phosphate battery for the off grid. These are the different cells. And this is a DC microgrid system. Means you are using a solar panel, you are using a lithium ion battery or lithium ion phosphate, and you are using all the DC load line. The bulb is DC, the fan is DC. तुम्हाला दिसत नाही का? The bulb is DC, the fan is DC. This is called as a DC microgrid system. म्हणजे एखाद्या रानामध्ये घर असेल तर तुम्हाला MSCB जर नसेल तिथं, so this is a DC microgrid and DC वर चालणारे bulb येतात इथे. You get bulb which are working on battery 12 volt DC. You get even the freeze working on DC. You get the fan working on DC. So whatever products you can run on AC, same you can be run on DC also. No, in fact 1 kilowatt will be slightly costly because the battery cost is there. But if you go for DC, because see, if you want the subsidy, you go for DCR approved panels, which are approved by the government. You are paying almost 15 rupees per watt extra to the government. So that is compensated in the DC because you don't need any DCR approved panels. You can go straight for non-DCR panels. Now generally solar inverters are used, as I told you, that converts the DC into AC. So you have on-grid inverters or off-grid inverters. Okay, in single screen, so I will give you all this. You have this presentation, right? काय प्रश्न आहेत? Any doubt? जास्त गरम होत आहे का? Any question? All DC available. Even AC is available in DC. 48 volt DC air conditioner is available. Generally what we do, we take AC because when we say inverter air conditioner means that compressor is 48 volt DC only. You convert to 20 volt into 48 volt DC, then you run the compressor. So inverter means that is 48 volt DC. 48 volt directly you can go to the compressor. So even all cold storages you can design on DC. Because a lot of government approvals, a lot of brands are there, almost 50 brands are there. Solar panel, inverter, and a lot of new entrants are coming in the market. And highly qualified companies are coming. So you get a very reliable system. In fact, government is very selfish. They want people to employ and give them so that they can sell to somebody. काय विचारायचा प्रश्न? खाली हो अच्छा, if you want to start the business of solar, there is one thing called as a liaison. Liaison means you have to be approved vendor with the MSCI. You can write down for which you need a bank guarantee of rupees 2.5 lakhs. A bank guarantee of rupees 2.5 lakhs. Your GST number. Your PAN number. But keep one thing in mind. If you don't have this, don't worry. Okay? I can arrange a person who can work for you. See, even if you don't have that particular bank guarantee or approval, there are many people in the market, they charge you say 3,000 rupees per kilowatt, but they do all the office work for you. Because say, for everybody investing 2.5 lakhs for the bank guarantee, so spending 3 lakh rupees is very difficult. So what we do generally in Mumbai, if we work in Mumbai, we take a person from there, we negotiate with them, they are 3,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees per kilowatt, so in the documentation kar दें. So that they have to upload the documents. So whatever material will purchase from the market, they will be DCR approved, government approved. Inward will be DCR approved. You will purchase, but all documents of the customer you will give to that particular vendor who has the registration with the Maharashtra government. So he will work for you. So initially, till the time you get that particular strength of 2.5 lakhs, you can take help of others. Even we have done the same treatment. Because what we think, how to invest 3 lakh rupees, will I get that money back? But without that also, still you can do one thing. You can take up a customer and you will take 3 points from him. First, ask him for the MSME bill. I will tell you what documents you need for that. Ask him for the latest MSME bill. Number 2 is cancel check, because the subsidy will be coming to his account. Cancel check or saving book top sheet. His Aadhaar card. Then his mobile number linked to that particular MSME bill, because mobile is registered. He will get that particular OTP on that particular mobile before opening his portal. And his mail ID connected to that, because if they don't have the mail ID, see that the mail ID is connected. Because all correspondence from the government of India, MNRE, will be on his SMS, his mobile or his ID. And you can safely quote around 70,000 rupees per kilowatt. That is the lowest quote in the market. And after spending everything, I mean dazzling charges, you should get 12 to 15,000 rupees per kilowatt as profit margin. Okay, but you can start with 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt. Subsidy is more. Any question about this? Solution is start with a small DC microgrid. Say 1,500, like the kit assemble with the particular avastha. And slowly, once the time is good, people will come with a bigger order. And you can take all this technical inputs from us and you can get it. PM Suryaghar Yojana is the website. PM Suryaghar Yojana. PM Suryaghar. Go to the particular Yojana. And you only have to fill up your name, your customer number, then your mobile number, your ID, and you will directly get a subsidy certificate. On the spot, 5 minutes you get a subsidy certificate. Anybody in 10th, 12th also you can start with this. Even as a customer, if I want my MSME bill, I can also register. And I will select the vendor whom I should want to give the vendor. Even I can tell you, मैंने पूरा material ले लिया, आपसे मुझे लाइसेंस नहीं करना। And for that I can help your students. You can go ahead. Absolutely. I'll give you the before starting that, if you can start with a small micro DC grid, that will give you the test. You may have to do 100, 500, but start with that. And if the soldering guy could हाताने काम करायला चालू करा, you will understand the difference. काय विचारायचं? DC micro, see, you have a panel, you have a small DC micro, and you have the DC bulb. That is very simple. सर हे बघा, हे DC सीट पर इम्पॅक्ट आहे, हे सोलर पॅनल आहे, हे तुमच्या लॅबमध्ये घेऊन चालतं. हे तुमचे याच्यातच बॅटरी आहे आणि हा बल्ब आहे बस. फक्त चार्ज करायचं राहील तर बोलायला I am giving 2 kits to the department. So you can rewire and test. This is the smallest DC micro grid. या किटची किंमत आहे ना सर, काय? This is costing only 1300. उसकी बैटरी चार्ज करने पड़ेगी. So you will see in your department, electrical तो रखता है. But आप कैसे कर सकते हैं? But आप कैसे एक हाथ में केस करा हुआ है. One student has asked for flexible solar panels. He is smart because flexible solar panel has less weight. आजपर्यंत विद्यार्थी मला आवडते, पण एका कंपनीने लास्ट वीक चालू केलं flexible solar panels. आणि that is weight 8 kg, 12 volt, 160 watt. त्याला असं रोल करून पण दिले आहे मित्रचे मला. And they have started making because till then that was being imported from China. Flexible panels. But he has quoted me some 40 rupees per watt flexible panel. And he is doing good work. Conventional, if you go for this, there is 30 rupees. But that is with the aluminum frame. But that is with the tougher glass. Because the flexible panels are थोड़ी नाजुक है. But this is a okay. As Madam asked me about this PM Surya Yojana. 2 मिनिट मला भूक लागली माहिती आहे. 2 मिनिट ओके. PM सूर्योदय योजनामध्ये तुमचं पॅनल माउंटिंग जे असतं त्याच्यामध्ये फॅब्रिकेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ऑन टेरेस. सो यू विल गेट स्टँडर्ड ड्रॉइंग फॉर द फॅब्रिकेशन. इफ द प्लांट इज बिगर यू कॅन गो फॉर सिव्हिल वर्क ऑल्सो. थोडं सिव्हिल वर्क करायचं. बट मोस्ट ऑफ दिस पॅनल माउंटिंग इज डन बाय द लोकल पर्सन तयार नाही. कुठलाही जवळचं फॅब्रिकेटर पकडा, त्याला कसं असतं बेस लाईक 9x9 इंचाची स्टीलची प्लेट लावायची आणि त्याच्यावर तुम्ही थोडं सिव्हिल वर्क करून घ्यायचं. मेकॅनिकल तेवढंच महत्त्वाचं, तर उद्या वादळ आलं तर तुमचं उडून जायला. दुसरी गोष्ट अशी असते की 2 पॅनलमध्ये 10 mm गॅप ठेवायची. वादळ झालं तर मधल्या गॅपमध्ये तुमची हवा गेली पाहिजे. तुम्ही असं टाईट केलं तर ते सगळं स्ट्रक्चर इकडून जोडून जाईल. तेवढी काळजी घ्यायची. आणि त्याला स्पेशल ब्रॅकेट मिळतात. आम्ही त्याला बीड इम्पॅक्ट म्हणतो किंवा एड इम्पॅक्ट म्हणतो व्हॅल्यूमचे. मी तुम्हाला 5-5 सॅम्पल काढतो. एक छोटं स्ट्रक्चर पण दाखवतो की ते बीड इम्पॅक्ट का लावायचे. खाली स्प्रिंग असते, कम्प्लीट ते ॲल्युमिनियमचं आहे, गरजत नाही. आणि ते लावले की तुमचं पॅनल चांगलं आहे. आणि होल्डिंग ऑफ पॅनल ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. तुम्हाला एक 5 सॅम्पल काढतो बीड इम्पॅक्ट आणि एड. ठीक आहे. कारण मेकॅनिकल फिटिंग इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट. सर घ्यायचं ब्रेक, ब्रेक घ्यायचं वाढतं. या जवळ करून आहे.
Please pay attention. So we are going to take 1 hour lunch break. Then you have to report staff at 2 p.m. for the next session. Next session will be from 2 p.m. to 3:30, maximum 4 p.m. There will be a short break after that session and you have to report to your respective department. But electrical students have to stay here after last session. Okay? So you all have to report at 2 p.m. sharp here. All departments, diploma as well as degree. Don't, please, don't dismantle the chair arrangements.